Hey, what is going on, guys? Donovan here, and in today's video we're basically going to be talking about day 5 of the cam install. Now, when I started this project, I realized that I had a pretty ambitious timeline, and it's gone over a couple days, but I think that's for the better because we're only working 4 to 5 hours a day, and we're taking our time. So basically, the motor's coming back together, timing cover's on, heads are on, I have the coil packs plugged in already, belt on, alternator in, obviously in the AC compressor, rad and fan is back on, and at this point I'm just working on wiring and stuff. As you can see, I have the diagram for the serpentine belt. Tonight I'm probably gonna bolt on the intake manifold, get those sensors plugged in, get this purge evap line. I got a new one because I was getting a weird chirping noise out of this. And I'm probably just gonna run through like a checklist that I made just one last time tonight, and then tomorrow morning, or maybe in the afternoon, all of the people that have helped me build this car, all the people that have contributed to this project, I'm gonna wait until they're here before I start it up. I think it would be selfish of me and almost disrespectful not to have them here for the first startup. So I'm gonna prep it tonight. I'm probably gonna wait to fill all the fluids up, oil and stuff, until the other guys are here so we can all check to make sure there's no leak or something coming out of hoses, because we had to disconnect pretty much a disgusting amount of hoses to disassemble this car. And I'll have them look over the car, make sure that I have all these random sensors plugged in and stuff, just to get that extra verification. And we're gonna start this thing up. One thing I was exceptionally happy about is that my buddy Gabe was able to get in the oil pump at the bottom under the timing cover on or off and on without even removing the oil pan. He must have extra joints in his fingers, or he's a magician, but he was somehow able to make it work. And I checked myself, the bolt was tight on the pickup tube, and I don't know how he did it. He's an amazing guy. He is really good at that kind of stuff. I have a good amount of people asking me why I decided to tackle this project. I would have done this project whether or not I was doing YouTube videos. Even though I'm not like a mechanic, I do have an interest in cars, and I wanted to do something like this at least once in my life. I don't plan on doing it again anytime soon, but it was definitely fun to do, and just spending the time with my dad, Grandpa, Gabe, even my buddy Brandon came over to work on it. I thought that was incredibly valuable, and it's something that I really enjoyed. So I'm gonna make sure all those guys are here before we fire this thing up tomorrow, and of course I got a lot more content coming for you guys, but just wanted to update you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.